Hello, I'm Richard Rizk, and today we're going to talk about commonly asked questions, also known as FAQs, frequently asked questions, FAQs. The most common, by far, question that I receive from clients with all kinds of claims is this: how much is my claim worth? Well, if you go online and you Google that question, you're going to find a claim calculator. A claim calculator which will quickly and easily give you a number and let you know what this claim calculator says your claim is worth. Claim calculators are worthless. Let me tell you why. Because a claim is worth what a jury or decision maker says it's worth. A claim is not worth what an adjuster says it's worth, unless you accept that offer. A claim is not even worth what you say it's worth. A claim is what a decision maker says your claim is worth. And so how do we get there? How do we find out what a decision maker says your claim will be worth? Well, we have to determine what kind of decision maker will evaluate your claim. And typically there are two different types. There's juries and there's judges. And there's different types of judges. There's private judges known as arbitrators, or there's formal judges, the kind with robes and gavels. So, and the other question is, where are you? So if your case is going to go to a jury, we look at the county where your accident occurred. So the proper jurisdiction is where the accident occurred or where the defendant resides. And when we look at claims, we carefully decide which county to file the lawsuit in, because different counties have different jury pools and different reputation for awards. Typically speaking, if you are in Oregon, you want to choose Multnomah County as your county to file your lawsuit in, because generally speaking, it's the most favorable county for plaintiffs. And there's services, one of them is known as Jury Verdicts Northwest, which tracks verdicts and results in arbitrations and trials. So you can use that as a benchmark on what your claim is worth. But even there's all kinds of variables, like, well, this expert that was on trial flubbed it up, or the defendant made a poor presentation, or the plaintiff made a poor presentation. So it's hard to know exactly what your claim is worth. But through experience and through observation of other results, we can give you a range of what your claim will probably come out with 80% of the time. That is the claim value range. So you really need to talk to an attorney about who you are, where you are, and what your claim is to really get a good idea of what your claim is worth, or what the range is for what your claim is worth. I hope that helps you. I'm Richard Rizk. We'll talk a little bit later on the next frequently asked question.